it's this end-to-end solution from pre-con functions to construction functions to project delivery. And then if you happen to be, for example, a developer or building owner, you could then leverage it for asset management as well. So it's this end-to-end lifecycle project management solution that also captures data.
Okay. So one of the notes that we have is about digital transformation and the revolutionizing that technology is doing to the landscape. What's your opinions on that?
Totally. So if you look at historical data on the industry, you get these abysmal numbers of, since 1968 or some odd year where productivity has not increased. However, since the early 2000s, you have these, project management tools that have released to the market and have proven to provide productivity increases on job sites. So it kind of creates this dynamic of question of, how does that make sense, right? Like, it hasn't increased since 68 yet, since 2000, we have this data showing that there is increases in productivity. So my kind of realization there, and this is how the inception of Jet occurred, is to say, yeah, products exist. However, evidently and clearly, they haven't been adopted to the scale where we're pushing the industry forward to productivity as a whole. And going back from my own experiences and Joseph, my co-founder, his experiences on construction job sites, we were not able to adopt those products. One reason being is having a complicated user interface, user experience, so UI UX, having a difficult to use product. So basically, we took that information, both on the lack of productivity, both on the evidence of using a product and the difficulty in using what existed in the market. And we went ahead and started building our own solution, right? So wrapping back to your question is, I think that if we can cover, and this is what Jet is doing, our vision here, is if we can cover this baseline essential with smartphone simplicity, as I call it, to allow for all users, whether it's a site operator all the way to a lender who's looking at reports, ensure that this productivity is being addressed from, like I just mentioned, the end-to-end side of both the life cycle of the property and the life cycle of the users. Then I think we could push productivity to what it should be, similar to other industries in the market.
Yeah, I think I was thinking about that the other day as well, as far as like with CAD and how we were going to get away from
Mhm.
paper. And I think we waste more paper now than we ever have
Right.
in
It's
in printing things the way that we've
right.
always done it. If I hear that one more time, I just want to pull my hair out, and I'm losing my hair, so I'm not going to have much to pull out. That
Yeah,
I
we've
can
almost
do it faster the way we used to do it.
right,
Yeah,
right,
but is that
exactly.
more efficient? I mean, I can't tell you how many times I have not been able to find handwritten computations because somebody submitted the originals and they just
Right.
poof, they're gone, and we might have a scan of them.